Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how we can do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A35 with Android TV. First step is to make sure that you have connected your phone and TV to a common Wi-Fi. Before that, we are giving a disclaimer that the phone used here in this video is not actually A35, but for demo and educational purpose, this Samsung phone is used. So don't say like that this is not actually Samsung Galaxy A20, A35 like that. Okay, already we know it. For educational and demo purpose, this phone is used. Okay, first learn it. First of all, make sure that you have connected your phone and TV to a common Wi-Fi. Also, you can create a mobile hotspot from your phone and connect that mobile hotspot to your TV to act as a common. Okay. Now I am going to phone and go to Wi-Fi and check. Here today 5G Wi-Fi is used. The same Wi-Fi should also be used in your TV too. So go to your TV and select settings of your TV to find out Wi-Fi there. And yes, selected and click on network and internet and turn on Wi-Fi, and yes, the same Wi-Fi is used. Today 5G Wi-Fi is used. Okay. Then next come to your phone. Come to your phone and go to Google Play Store. Go to Google Play Store and search for Google Home app. Just to go to install this Google Home app. So search Google Home and it will be showing here. This is the required app. Just click on install and it will be downloaded and installed within few seconds. Just wait. Yes, it is being installed. Just wait. Yes, it is installed. Now open this Google Home app to proceed further and click on get started and click on next. Give permission if it is asking, just give it, and here you go to select email ID, the corresponding email ID that you have used in your TV too. So what email ID you have logged in with your TV YouTube account, that email ID should be selected here too. Okay, so select the email ID. I have selected this email ID because this email ID I have already used in my TV too, and click on OK, then click on next and give permissions and click on next and give permission. Actually location services is not needed for screen mirroring, so I skip it, and yes, you can also skip it. Now you will see the TV device here. Just click on devices so that you will see the TV device here. Yes, just click on it and click on cast my screen and click on cast screen and click on start now. Now your phone screen will be exactly mirrored to your TV. Yes, see there. Okay, so what I see in my phone, that is also seen in my TV. If you would like to adjust the volume, you can adjust here. If you move this round circle in clockwise direction, volume will be increasing. 100% volume I have selected now. If you would like to decrease volume, move this circle to the left side or in counterclockwise direction, so volume will be decreasing. You can also use your TV remote for adjusting the volume. So see, take your TV remote, take your TV remote and press volume button, volume plus button to increase volume, volume minus button to decrease the volume. Okay. So here I go to another screen in my phone. See, I open Paytm. That's also seen in my TV. So in this way, you can easily do screen mirroring from your phone to any Android TV. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.